Hi there, I'm Stian from Richer Sounds. A perfect way to make the most out of the British summer is Samsung's SPLSP3B Projector. This lets you take your favourite movies and TV series out of the comfort of your own house and into the great outdoors. Why don't we take a closer look, shall we? This projector is also known for a slightly easier name, the Freestyle, and they couldn't have chosen a better suited name. This is a tiny, portable projector from Samsung that's ready to go anywhere. It's capable of displaying crisp, detailed 1080p images with a maximum screen size of 100 inches, which is deeply impressive for a projector this size. So whether you're watching some sporting action or your favorite blockbuster movies, it doesn't get easier than this. You just plug in the mains or even opt for the external battery pack for true portability, pick your content and off you go. Unlike the projectors of old, the Freestyle is a true media center full of streaming services built in, like BBC iPlayer, Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video and many more, giving you that true Samsung Smart TV experience. All you need to bring is the Wi-Fi connection. There's also wireless mirroring, there's a USB-C input as well as a HDMI input, making it perfect for games consoles, your Blu-ray players, or even a hard drive full of your favorite content. Continuing this hugely impressive spec list is a built-in 360-degree speaker. This is designed to be heard as easily as possible no matter where you sat around the projector. Of course, here at Richer Sounds, we would highly recommend that you hook up a great quality soundbar or even a speaker system for that more cinematic feel. But for the sheer portability, it's hugely impressive what they managed to fit into this beautiful little can. Okay, so you might be thinking, Stian, this sounds great and exciting, but I've heard that projectors are a bit of a pain and a bit awkward to set up. Well, do not fear, because the Freestyle setup and calibration is as easy as it gets. It has a tabletop stand, which also doubles up as a wall mount. And as soon as you've set it up the way you wanted, the projector automatically calibrates the screen size and shape so that you can just get on with your content. How amazing is that? To sum it up, the Freestyle has everything we hoped for and more. An incredible performance for the price and size, a huge feature list, and of course it's easy to use for anyone. So whether you're thinking of using it outside or inside, it's an absolute must-see. Well, if you want more information on this particular projector or any of our other ranges, I would highly recommend that you call or pop down to your local Richer Sounds store today. To find your local Richer Sounds details, follow the link. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.